Good day everyone, it's Joey here, doing a hands video, first time ever, so there we go. Everyone's been asking, they'd like to see my journals, they've seen my stuff on Instagram and obviously my digital work, so I thought, yeah, I'll do a little bit of hands-on crafting, so I thought I'd come and show you this journal I made a couple of months ago now, but it's taken me all this time to get on here to film this because I don't usually do these type of videos, as you know, but who knows, it might be the start of something new. So here it is, Circus Circus from my digital kit, and also includes Circus Circus Kofi Freebie. So all the papers are in this. Calico cover that I hand painted the stripes because I didn't have the fabric I wanted. You might have seen me do that on Instagram. There was some posts. A coffee dyed tassel. This was the topper from the kit. I printed it out twice, cut out the middle bit and then layered it, so it's got a bit of a 3D effect, and then some just gold painted stars, and then lots of pom-pom tassels, and the alternative topper I stuck on the back. So there we go. It's a one signature, quite chunky, and this is one of those hairband things. So inside I lined it with some red fabric, put these fabric pockets on, covered the card in fabric. This rickrack, I ordered it and it was the wrong colours, it was sort of like neon colours, so I painted those with acrylic paint. This is the topper journaling card, the topper made into a journaling card. This is a Barnum and Bailey poster that I got from the New York Public Library digital collection in their public domain section. So all this stuff is there, freely available for you to use, so go over there and check it out, especially the New York Public Library. It's got some great stuff, as a lot of the museums and institutions have. So that's, yeah, that pops in there. And welcome to the circus, the ringmaster. So and this is another Barnum and Bailey poster, again from the New York Public Library. Make great journaling cards. And then this is a pocket. This is a lovely little notebook. This is so sweet. This is from my friend Jo at Josephine's Craft Room. I'll link below. She sent me the most beautiful mini journal because I said, don't send anything too big to Australia, it costs a fortune. Should I just send something small, some happy mail? So absolutely exquisite journal. You would have seen it on Instagram, in a snippet roll, and this was included. So I thought, well, I'm going to put this in my journal because it's nice to include bits from other people. As I go along, if there's things from other people, I'll let you know. So here we go on this side pocket, journaling card, little notebook of my own, a tag. I haven't looked at this journal for a couple of months, so it's quite interesting. This is from the New York Public Library, article about Barnum and Bailey. This is the three-tiered pockets. I'll take all these T cards and that over. So you can see the 3 tiers. This is in the kit. Journaling card with the woman with the seals. And then this is just the Kofi Freebie printed out, coffee dyed paper, and then just stitched around to make a nice journaling spot that fills an envelope. So this is the Land of Contraries. It was a little poem that I found in an old book. So it was quite a little magical story, so I included that. The acrobats, and then the tea cards, the smiling kids, the popcorn, and the candy floss, or the cotton candy. America, cotton candy. Australia, fairy floss. UK, candy floss. So there we go. I'm multilingual. the hidden paper clips. I used the labels. I made these hidden paper clips with the little journaling cards. This is the clown head journaling card and pocket that match. I do quite a few of those in my kits. Different, you know, not clowns, obviously. These balloons that appear all throughout the journal, I've got a Stampin' Up punch from years ago, and I just printed it out on coloured paper. The labels are from the Ko-fi Freebie. Oops, so here we go. And just little bits of ephemera. Tickets. This again was from the New York Public Library. And belly band. This was music. Oh no, where did I get it? Oh, this, my neighbour gave me this music. It says, "Give me a little kiss, will ya, huh?" I thought that was quite fun. Fabric flip. Now this is monogamy. I don't have fabric, as you know. Not heaps anyway, and nothing that ever matches what you want to do. So I printed out the Ko-fi Freebie, done the hand cream on it, folded it in half, and then stitched around it. And these are my fabric flips. I don't have real fabric flips. I have monogamy flips. Again, the tags from the kit. And I think I got this from one of the Dutch museums. It's all about cycle tricks. So I thought that goes. So I'll include that. The Magician, and the reverse journaling card, tickets. Let's pop him back in there somewhere. The lion journaling card, and the showgirls, and the fire eater, and the hot dog in this pocket. Again, this is one of those just from the Freebie paper. And the free tags in the pocket. This was from the New York Public Library, this music. It's called the Circus Girl, A Rube. And I printed that out on coffee dyed paper. This is a long envelope. The journaling card inside. Lots of hidden paper clips on this. These just punched out the balloons out of cardstock, coloured cardstock, and put them down as edging. So I reversed, printed out two, put them like that. This Andy Day, Thanksgiving Day. I know it's Thanksgiving, but I just like the font. I thought it was like a circus font. And this was from my friend Linda. Sent me a whole heap of vintage papers. She's got the most marvellous collection. Handmade Iowa on YouTube, Instagram. It's just unbelievable, her collection of vintage papers that she uses in her journaling. So she sent me a load, which was really, really lovely. And I think it was the first Happy Mail I ever got, so that was really special. So I wanted to include something from Linda. Yep. That's that envelope, just doodled and coloured around some coffee dyed paper to include in that. In the belly band, this is an article, not an article, a story, needs repairing, from old clowns, from an old, one of those Boys Own manuals. I picked it up from like 1908 or something. This is a Stilt Walker card, the journaling card inside, pops in there. Stars just all cut out of the Ko-fi Freebie. Oh, this is a little notebook I made, and And down the edges I used Gayle Agostinelli's doodle strips that she's valuable on her Etsy, and I just thought they was perfect. And it allows me to include a little bit of Gayle in a journal, which is lovely, because you know how special Gayle is to me. Yeah, look how brilliant they are. They work really well. I was so pleased. Thanks, Gayle. Using your digitals, Gayle. There's a turn up for the books. You use so many of mine. Oh. Yeah, so this is the bingo card. I stuck some of the little ephemera pieces, labels from the kit. This was from Linda, Handmade Iowa. The stamps, these are just little journaling spots and a little bookmark. It's quite a fun little interactive page. Some stamps, like a book of stamps. Barnum and Bailey again. Look how wonderful that prints up. I mean, it's amazing. I think that's an original old poster. Stunning. The acrobats or the trapeze artists. This is the envelope. Don't know what's in this one. Nothing. Should pop something in there. Again, another one of those head journaling cards. Isn't she cute? Journaling card. Lots of writing space, even though I filled most of the pages up. In the ephemera, there's lots of... I hope this is interesting and not boring. The bear. Again, tags, pockets, journaling card, tightrope walker. Getting all these journaling spots. Get in there, get in there. This was from my friend, this from Kath Holden's Vintage Flea Market sticker book. My friend Jenny, Joey and Jenny's Little Yellow House. Joey143 Jenny on YouTube. Go and check her out. Amazing work she does. And she's a very, very, very dear friend. And she sent me heaps of stuff. And a groovy journal. And oh, it was unbelievable. Thank you, Jenny. So a little bit of Jenny in there. And she sent me this popcorn bag as well. So I created a journaling card to go in there. Isn't it lovely to include things people send you? This is a pocket, and it's an ephemera holder. And this was from Pam. The idea was from Pam at Silver and Sparkles. She made this with the Kofi Freebie, the Circus Circus. So I thought, I'm going to do that as well. And lots of, look, isn't it good? I can say it's good because it's not, you know, the idea's not mine, but yeah, really fun to make these things. And you can just have it as I decided to turn it into a pocket. But yeah, so that's really good. Just some blank envelopes. And that's the end. See you next time. And in here, just one more journaling card. All those elephants. And then an envelope. Handmade by Joey. April 24. Yeah, so it's a while ago I made this. Oh, I've got to show you this. You're going to laugh. This is Joey. Circa 1986, I was a clown. There we go, an exclusive. I was a clown. My friend Julie and I, we used to entertain at children's birthday parties. And I was Jojo the Clown, and Julie is an actress, is a great storyteller. And we done face painting, and it was to very, very wealthy people back then. Yeah, and we had fun. It was like a little side hustle, I suppose you'd call it today. We had proper jobs, but we used to do this the weekend, and it was fun. Yeah, we've done heaps and heaps of children's parties, and I had these magic tricks, but there was no skill involved. You bought these tricks, you know, they were like mechanical. The trick was done by the apparatus. There was no skill involved, but it was fun, and the kids loved it, and it was good times. But they were really, really wealthy people. We never dealt with the actual parents. You dealt with the nannies. The nannies used to book you, and they'd all be eating in a separate room, all the adults, and the children would be in another room playing, and you never saw the adults, and they never saw the children except when it come to cutting the cake. Then they would all gather and have photos and that. And on the walls in the hall, I remember in one place, they had these framed in like a box frame, the first shoes from Harrods, and then another frame with a lock of hair, and it was the first haircut at Harrods and the lock of hair. So very wealthy. Beautiful though, beautiful. Lovely times. So yeah, so I thought, well, this is a great place to put that in. Now, you've learned a bit about me. I used to be a clown. Oh dear. Well, there we go. There we go. Showing you my first ever, well, not the first journal I've made, but the first one to do a flip through of. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I don't know how often I'll do these sort of videos. Yeah, it's fun. Took me half the day to set up the camera. Anyway, I thought, oh, you guys, I admire you all so much, all you YouTubers who do this day in, day out. Anyway, love you lots. See you on Instagram, Facebook, and yeah, have a great day. See ya. Bye.